Hey, what's muffler armor?
Hey!
Are your backseat driver's feet burning up?
Turn left here!
Does your car smell like bacon? You got a banana in your tailpipe? Whose cat is this? That's why you need our muffler armor. Hey, nobody can take Bob Dole's pencil. Heatshield Products muffler armor can reduce up to 70% of radiant heat off your muffler. This kit includes a 16-inch by 24-inch piece of our Heatshield armor. You also get 3 47-inch thermal ties. We have our kit with our power anchors. Boom! Okay, so this is my pre-cut piece. I really make this look easy, don't I? There you have it. If you want to keep those feet from burning and that fuel from cooking, Heatshield muffler armor. I'll just stand here and move my mouth a little bit. We can put Chris's voice into it.
Alrighty.